Hello there. You are listening to Between Lovers, the Heart and Soul Chronicles. I'm T, your sacred guide, here to hold space for truth, story, and soul. If you've been here before, well, you know, these aren't just episodes, they're mirrors, they're altars, they are living conversations between the heart and the soul. We've walked through the patterns of staying too long. We've untangled the trauma that pretended to be love. We've remembered that worth is not a performance and that frequency never lies. As we begin closing out Season two's Divine Partnership miniseries, we walk into our next chapter. And if you haven't heard Season 1 or 2 yet, this is the perfect time to catch up before the first episode of Season 3 arrives on October 10th. And now, a new season will begin, deeper, bolder. Season 3 is a space where myth and memory meet, where we name the wounds that masquerade as love and truth calls us back to the sacred. This season, the stories will cut even closer to real life. You'll hear two new relatable story segments, and Sincere and Lamar are back with conversations that sound like sitting with your own friends and naming what we're all thinking but rarely say out loud. We'll step into spirituality, the Christ lineage, and the deeper questions the world is only now beginning to remember. We'll explore why so many of us fear being alone. We'll talk about the differences between comfort and real connection. We'll share mythic stories that reflect our own journeys and reveal the hidden codes inside our love, our lineage, and our bodies. So, if you've been searching for love that is more than comfort, more than codependency, more than a mask of fear, if you've been longing for truth that restores your spirit and calls your relationship higher, you are home. So, welcome to Season 3 of Between Lovers, the Heart and Soul Chronicles. I am T, looking forward to getting to know you a little bit more. Walk gently, walk boldly, walk soulfully. I'll see you next season. Peace.